In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove someone from share list on TikTok. So what you have to do is simply open the TikTok application, make sure you're logged in to your account. So initially you'll be led to the home interface. So in the video that you want to share, if you tap on the share icon, you'll be able to see the share list over here. They are usually your friends or someone you follow or someone who follows you, or they can also be your contacts. You can see over here you'll not be able to directly remove them. So if you want to remove them, what you have to do is simply block the user or remove them as a follower. So for that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on this option follower that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is remove the person that you would like to remove from the share list. For that, tap on the three dots that you can see right next to that person's profile. Now tap on this option, remove this follower that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option, remove, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular person might be removed from your share list. If the person showing up on your share list is not your follower, in that case what you can do is simply block that person. For that, first of all, see their name. Now after you do that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is simply search for their name. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on their profile. Now after you do that, tap on the share icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option block that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option block. Now you block this person. Now once you do that, simply refresh the TikTok. Now after you do that, in the share list, that person will no longer appear. So that is how you remove someone from share list on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.